Hi, I'm Debbie from Villa Marie Catholic Homes. I look after all the dining room experience across all our homes. Today we are going to be talking about the ceramic hot plates from Cossiga. And they are not an induction, they are actually a ceramic, so the whole top area can be used to put any ceramic plate on there and to keep it warm. We are replacing our old style bain-maries. These units will feel hot to the touch, but they will not scald you. This is dry heat. Bain-maries would often scold people as this is wet heat. So these units are much safer to use. We have less burns and they are a much better, more appealing appearance in our nice new modern kitchenettes. These are better than induction because this enables us to use any ceramic container on this whole ceramic hot plate. We can use glass, we can use cast iron. You can get really creative with the food that you put on display, knowing that it's going to stay hot for the entire time that it's on there. Simply turn the unit on 20 minutes before you need the food to come out. This is indicated by the red lights at the bottom of the ceramic hot plate. If it's got heat lamps, this here is not applicable. We have 2 temperature zones, 2 panels per zone. We are using the Cossiga hot plates in conjunction with the heat lamps. Pulling it down for the desired height that you want for your food to stay warm. When the unit is hot, take out your Teflon sheets and place them onto the ceramic heat plate. The reason is to protect the ceramic heat plates from our porcelain dishes that may scratch the glass. Finished our food service, simply turn the units off and wait for 20 minutes for them to cool down so that we can wipe them clean. Remove the Teflon sheets, place them back in the cupboard, and then you can start to clean the ceramic hot plates. The shade and never touch the heat bowl, they will burn you.